My favorite display at the Carnegie Science Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania is the model train platform, which takes up the majority of the second floor. Taking about 2 years to lay down the platform and constantly undergoing painstaking polishing and perfection, this amazing display of craftsmanship and passion is a joy to see. So if you love model trains, or trains in general for that matter, come to the Carnegie Science Center in Pittsburgh and bear witness to this amazing work of art.